Mara naman. Isa-isa lang.
Close mo.
Bakit malungkot ang beshi ko?
Hello?
Papalit na ng damit. Mag-swimming si Mara. Welcome, Mara.
A make-up room pala ito, ma.
Laptop ba to?
What is D&D?
Ooh. Anong meron dito? Ganyan lang. Ay, wow.
Ba't di nag-aano to?
Draw the curtain, Mara. You can. Ah, automatic kasi ito.
Ay, ito.
Sunscreen, okay.
Curtains.
Yeah.
Make-up.
Yeah. No, automatic yan. Taray. Go.
Let's try curtains ko.
Go. Ay. What did you close? Sige na, bisa tayo? Babay na.
Bye-bye! The live resort, where you can see all the romantic items.
Ano daw? Nagustuhan niya dito?
Yes, sir.
I will go outside resort. Bye!
Galing ni Mara. Kamay mo, Han.
Simple lang.
Hindi, mamaya. Gusto ko doon,
Kasi mabata.
Mara! Are you having fun? Why? Why? What happened? What? Anong ginawa sa'yo? Go swim! Mara.
I'm gonna search for rocks.
Okay.
Can I take a peek?
No, don't. It's for your safety. Don't remove that. It's for feet.
I want to see ano rocks.
Malulunod ka.
Ano
Tanggalin mo.
lang, kukunin ko tapos susuotin.
Wag na, no.
Galing. Sige, ay lalo ako.
It's abala ako.
Huwag na titingin kasi.
In every moment, my life will be tempted, but still live forever always. Every moment, even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours. My mind will
Ikaw, Jun, kumuha.
And when the search comes at the end of the road,
Wala pa.
be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your road.
Wala pa.
Of the love we once knew, that is not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show. In every moment, my love I'll be attentive, concealing forever always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your boat. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared so intense and